guys, girls. There we are. The reason why that's on there is because this one does run Regal Stage 2. Not the performance pack, as you can see. So this was done before the performance pack became available. So what Scott's done is that he's opted for the Pro Alloy intercooler, which we've got with the Pro on it. Really looks smart. Use the existing boost pipes on that, click in, job. That's the way that Pro Alloy's done it. Intake, he's got the open cone intake, isn't he? The Regal intake, open cone. The user thing, SPS, remote mode and all that sort of stuff. We've done a bits on this last time, as you can see. Just got a little badging on it, which is really cool. This is the one that we put the bronze wheels on, the Regal wheels, which you'll see in a sec, really cool. We also have got the Miltech, we'll show you that in a sec, the Miltech. I don't know if this is GPF back, I think it's, I'm not sure on this, where it's GPF or it's got one, I'm not sure. I don't know the year, this one was 2019 I think, so we need a later one that ran the CAT and GPF in it. So it's back into us. He's seen the video that we've done regarding the RS upgrade that Max done in conjunction with Miltech, created this exhaust to give it the RS style look, Mark III Focus RS or Mark II RS, whichever one you want to use. Different rear diffuser, and yeah, it scales across to twins, isn't it? A bit cheaper for Scott because he's already got a Miltech exhaust, so you can get the upgrade kit. So basically the upgrade kit is what you see on the bench. There. So we've got the rear diffusers the same. This is what we fitted on our other customers. It's really good that. It was quite popular. Got loads of hits and views on that one there, so it was really appreciate that. So thank you very much viewers for that. It keeps the channel up and thriving, doesn't it? But as you can see, so this is just the upgrade kit, whereas like the other one was a complete faux system, but he's already got that, you know, from the GPF back, or CAT back, whatever. So Timmy's fitted the other one, so it's going to be quite straightforward for him to do so again. But as you can see there, look, so we got circle back tailpipes. This is just the upgrade kit, the clamps, the diffuser. So what we'll do is we'll crack on and get that fitted. We'll go into the rear of the vehicle now and show you what's happening around there, because it had a diffuser on it already. All right, so see you in a sec. Right, do you want to screen at the rear of Scott's Mark 8 ST? There's the previous Maxton diffuser, which is designed for the standard twin together outlet. Yeah. So that's all now. A bit tricky, Timmy, wasn't it? Because that's already been bonded on, so we have to be super careful with a Stanley blade, like breaking the seal, and then just be really careful. And then obviously there's some residue that was left over. We got some proper solution to get that off, courtesy of our very good friend, old Johnny at Orange Valley. We'll put a link down in this so you can check him out. He's one of the people who follow, the viewers that follow our channel will know that he's one of our technical partners. Obviously, he does all the detailing, valeting, whatever you want to call it. So we always keep him quite busy. So as regards to this, it's the same as if you watch the other videos, it'll be the same sort of thing really. So we get the diffuser, you get this just right, so it takes 2 or 3 of you to do it, get it on there. You can't just chuck it on like that. You need to, sort of position it, and then it's got the tape for the specific 3M bonding is already applied to the rear of the diffuser. That's right, Timmy?
That's it, yep.
So, you pull the tape, and the key is you pull it as you're going along, pull a bit of tape off, and you get it where you need to get it, and then bond it on as we go. We don't take the bumper off. I mean, I know if you look at the Maxton instructions, they say, I'll take the bumper off and do this, do that. Well, that's fine. Everybody to their own. That's the way you want to do it. That's fine. We don't. We can do it on the vehicle. So, and why would you want to create more work for yourself taking the bumper off if you don't need to? So that's the way we do it anyway. And then just peel the tape, and then just as we're going along, somebody peels the tape, somebody's looking at it, and then as we go along, as you go along, pull the tape, press it a bit, pull the tape, press it a bit, and then you'll get it all the way on symmetrical then. But obviously we measure it to make sure it's good, because if you've got it like that, take it all off and go, there. You're taking a bit of a risk. You might get it right. If you do, good luck. Well done. But yeah, so this is all going to be changed. So obviously rear silencer stays. It's just the base of the tailpipes, then it'll shoot across to there, Timmy.
Yep.
That's right, innit? And then connecting it all up. What else are we doing on it, Timmy? we're gonna. Oh right, so we're gonna use Scott's car because he wants a big brake kit, one of our big brake kits for this. We're not quite there with it yet because what with time and whatever and high spec. So we're going to use this. We've got some test fit bits to go on it. We'll try that, and hopefully we'll be close to where we need to be. And then we can talk to you and reveal more about that later. But there will be a big brake kit coming for the MK8 ST. And again, it's like the same story. It'll be like something nobody else offers. We could already offer Revo for customers that want that, which is a 332mm disc, 4-pot model caliper made by Alcon for Revo. You know, with DS pads and all that sort of stuff. That's an option. That's been available for a little while now, not long after these come out, to be honest. But so it's similar to what's fitted to the Mark 7, but these run an 18-inch wheel, so it means that we can step it up on the size of the disc considerably, which we'll discuss and reveal all that later on when we get around to it. But yeah, for now, Timmy's going to crack on with it because he's got lots to do on this, to me, innit? Yep. So we'll talk through it as we go. There'll be lots of pictures on social media about it because it was such a hit with the last one. This one, people are interested in this. It's quite good, isn't it? Because this is not the GPF back as last time. This is like the upgrade kit. So this is different. It's not the same, is it? So let's crack on, to me. Catch up soon. Right, guys and girls, forgot. You join us back into the underside of the rear of the Scott's lovely magnetic grey MK8 Fiesta. As you can see, we fast forwarded a bit. We had to do that because we were rocking at the time, as we always are, and Timmy wanted to crack on with it, and I was busy doing something else. So we've had to just crack on. But we took lots of pictures. But yeah, so as you can see, the fuser's on. We've had to now. It's not. There is other things that you have to do with this is an upgrade kit. All right, so you've got to do a bit of trimming on the bumper. As you can see down there, look, a little bit that's not required because it interferes with where the tailpipe runs across from there to there. And then this pipe on the original was too long to me, wasn't it? Yeah. So it was like out here. So you can't. That's not good because how would it fit? So you have to trim that. So that was the correct length. So you just obviously just synchronise it and just cut it the same, so it's level. I won't put a straight edge across it. That's fine. To be able to link that across to there, that's the way it. So there is a little bit of. So now we've done both now, so we know. To be fair to me, it's obviously that this is quicker because it's an upgrade. The rest was already done for you, but there's still a bit of thinking and messing around to do in there.
And it's weird how the two bumpers are different. We had one that didn't have the extra bit.
Yeah, you just got to adapt it to what you're presented with, innit? So like I said, rear diffuser's on. As you can see, it's completely different than the one down there, which is for the, as we said, is the original exit side, but it looks really nice. Gone for the ceramic coated tailpipes. So all we've got to do now is just line up to me. That's all stuck on there. We will low tack tape it on as well, and then tomorrow we'll take that off. This is just protective film that's on it. We whip that off tomorrow, but just gives you an idea of how it looks, and it's going to sound pretty cool. And it's stage 2, so it's the same as what we've done on the on Darren's, wasn't it?
Yeah.
His was a silver fox. I got that confused. It wasn't magnetic grey. It was a silver fox colour, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So there we are. So nearly done. We just got a few more bits and bit more adjustments to do. Make sure this is nice because we don't want that too close to that to me, do we? No. So we got to adjust that. You can adjust it around down. You can't adjust it up and down because it's actually preset to me, isn't it? You can mess around there and twist it a bit, but that's that's pretty much where it's going to be, I think, isn't it? Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Laters. Looks beautiful to me, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, there we are, guys and girls. So looks nice in gloss black. Does give you the best sort of impression of it, I think. Because it stands out more, doesn't it? I've not seen the carbon effect or the textured finish yet. I'm sure that's really nice, but looks really cool, especially with the revised RS style tailpipe. Really, really good. Really pleased with that. So yeah, he's all bonded up. All the tape's off it. We let that go off overnight. We haven't fired it up yet. We'll do that in a second. We'll do a vid on the fire up for you, and then we'll do a finish up. But yeah, really good. It was a little bit tricky to me, wasn't it? There was a few little obstacles in the way. As we said, we had to trim the back of the bumper and all that stuff. But as you can see, that it's all fits all nice. Just us, we like to make sure it's absolutely perfect. you know, and everything's all symmetrical. So yeah, this is the second one, so I imagine we'll do quite a few of these, Timmy. It's quite I think it looks really cool. It just finishes off really nice, and it's a really good idea from Max in Miltech to do this. I imagine it's going to be quite popular once it gets going. People, you know, see it and hear it and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, so let's crack on and then do a finish up later. See you in a minute. Right, guys, girls. Scott's MK8, as you can see, down off the lift now on its wheels, and you can get a better idea now of how they're configured on the. But it's very, it's the same as the other one that we've done on Darren's. So it's pretty awesome, I think. I do like it. I just think it just transforms it to me, doesn't it, at the back end?
Yeah.
And what we're doing now is, because this runs Room Stage 2 as well, but we haven't got it road tested it yet, we will do as soon as we get a chance. So what we need to do now is we'll give it a few little blips, because on other videos we've had comments saying, oh, why did you start it off and give it a few revs, which we'll do now. I mean, we've already warmed it up, so we can give it a few blips now because we're up to temperature. We've put it into track mode, so that opens the valve up, and then you'll get an idea. Look, off the video is not the same as being live listening to it, is it? But it'll give you an idea. So let's do that now, Jimmy. Yeah.
Yep.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So you get some. That's on static. So we've yet to try it out on the road. But yeah, it's going to be interesting, that to me, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's some nice dialed-in overrun from the Room Stage 2 software. So that's about it, really. I mean, you know, we can't obviously bring you along with us on the road test, but yeah, so it just gives you an idea of what it's like. So usual thing, aimed at MK8 ST on there. So if you like what you see in regards to that, what we've done there, if you've already got a Miltech system on it like Scott did, you can do the upgrade kit like we've done there. Or if you haven't, then you can do the, depending on whether you've got one of the earlier models or the later ones, GPF back, whatever, then we can also do that. So it's yeah, one of them usual thing. So give us a call, by whatever means, telephone, internet, message, whatever, through Facebook, and then Laura, the wife, or Timmy will pick that up. Obviously, popping up to see us is a little bit difficult than what you can do, but it's, we're still under restrictions at the moment, but hopefully that'll change soon. But yeah, usual thing, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, really important. The pop-up banner will come up, click all, and then you'll be notified of any new uploads, which we've got plenty coming. Alright, so really important. Yeah, I think we'll leave it there to me. I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Another one. Polished dust, yeah?
That's it, yep.
So, something you're interested in, then please give us a call. And then we can talk you through options, different options, tailpipes, etc.